In Rio, the air is still warm in November, blowing along by the bay. And you're locked in the bathroom of some rented palace, washing the traces away. I wonder if you could have grown up an athlete, breathless and lonely and free. But there you are, clubbing in darkened sunglasses, working it out on TV. So is this what you dreamed then? Is this what you had in mind? Did you buy your own ticket, or were you just strapped to the ride? If I sent you a postcard, well, who would send back the reply? If I tried to stand by you, well, would I be taken aside? Is this what you dreamed then? Is this what you dreamed then?
How'd you like it? I'm having fun.